In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can isolate a color in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my footage here, and with your footage selected, you're going to go to the Lumetri color window. If that isn't visible, you can go to window and choose Lumetri color. And in the Lumetri color window, which will normally be open on basic correction, we're going to go to curves. And in curves, make sure you're in the RGB curves, and then go down to the U versus set. Here we're going to use this eyedropper tool and select the color we want to isolate, in this case this blue color. Now you can see here we have 3 dots appearing. We're going to leave the middle dot as it is, and then using or pressing our shift key, we're going to drag this one all the way down, and also with the shift key pressed, we're going to drag this one all the way down. And it's already looking a lot better, but I do still see some blue here. What we can then do is move these 2 dots closer to the middle dot until we have what we're looking for. So something like this. That's how you can easily isolate colors in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press the subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I have new tutorials going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.